Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Manor Lords. We're gonna be picking off where we left off. Um, we had, or we have, three PowerPoints that we can use. So, one of the things is that we're really struggling with is food. I would like to maybe start working toward this direction, because as you guys can see, hold on. We have 7 months of food, and food is like, we're really struggling here. We're going through bread, we're going through eggs, we're going through the honey, we're going through the meat very, very quickly. The only thing that we have a bunch of are berries and vegetables. And it really hasn't, we're not struggling enough to where I need to start importing it. So, like, I could start making, like, we could do better trapping, which provides a passive income of meat. And I mean, we could do heavy plowing, produces bed from flour with twice the efficiency of a communal oven. I mean, that would also probably be nice. Unlocks rye, crop for fields. Similar to wheat, rye can be processed into flour. I feel like orchards would probably be a good one. Trapping would be a good one. And I feel like advanced skinning would be a good one because that would help with getting meat. So there we go. We got that. We got the orchards, trapping, and then doubles the amount of meat produced by hunters. So that's a huge win in itself right there. And looks like we got lots of food going around. Can I kind of circle around now? Oh, yeah, we can. All right. Got a nice little shop here. All right. So, that being said, how we doing over here? We got a rich deposit that's looking fine. What we got going? Large storehouse. Oh, that thing's almost tapped. This thing's almost tapped. Goodness. We got another storehouse around here somewhere. There we go. That one's getting up there. See, large greenery. We're good on that. Look at that. We got ale, bread, lots of carrots. What we got over here? We got bread and ale for that one. We have another granary over here somewhere. Thought we had another granary. Got a storehouse. There's one granary. Burger supply level 3. Large granary. Maybe we only have 2 granaries? I swore we had another one. Oh, there it is. Carrots, ale, and bread. Okay. Not too bad. And we got some bread here. Yeah, okay. So we're looking good. Things are looking good. We got a couple farmhouses here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 farmhouses because we are doing lots of farming. Oh, so much to do. All right, so we are in March, and I'm keeping an eye on that berry deposit. So that means we need to get the fields ready for farming. So we're going to put wheat on quite a bit of these. And then we can put maybe we just need to do a bunch of wheat And then let's see, we can do that. Wheat. Do wheat on there, and then we'll do barley, 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 barley. Here we go. All right, wheat, wheat, wheat. Let me just double check all of these. Wheat, wheat, wheat. Oh, barley, barley, barley. Oh wait, barley. There we go. So these all now have an assigned crop to them. That's good. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and go to the forger hut and get as much people in here as possible. How are we doing on the timber? We got 4 timber. Okay, let's go ahead and get that going. What else do we got going on? We have to get... Oh, we are out of room, so let's go to advanced. Start working down these trees over here, and then we'll start kind of coming down here with the farmland. I mean, we are going to have a bunch, and I mean a bunch of farmland. I mean, having this area just covered in farm is going to be insane in the membrane. And we're making money over here, so that's always a good thing. Let's check out the food. We got some food. We got 22 eggs. Now we got 0 eggs. Now we got 16. Now we got 0. They're just flying off the shelves. Oh, man. Flying off the shelves. We need to build more houses, too. Yes. We need to build more houses. And... let's go here. I'm going to go this way. I'm going to come out this way just a bit. And 22 timber. We do not have 22 timber. We have a whole whopping... Uh-oh. Something's fishy. Hold on. Hold on. Saw pit. That's why. Saw pit. How are we doing on the planks? We got 184 planks. So we're doing fine on the planks. We're in April. We need more people. We need more people to farm the farm. We need more planters. Let's go ahead and get some of that over there. Perfect. I mean, we just got people running around all kinds. We need more houses so we can get more farmers. Because we're going to need them. We are going to need them. And we just ran out of space somewhere. What? Workers can't find anything to gather. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? There we go. Forger hut. A minus. And there we go. How about that? There we go. We should be good now. How we doing on the farm fields? We're looking good. We're looking good, looking good. How we doing on the timber? There it is. Timber burger spots. Okay, let's go here. Go here. 24. How'd I get 22 the first time? Did I just do it like right here? And then come this way. Oh yeah. Maybe that's what I did. Build it. There we go. Uh-oh. 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 Hold on. Alright, we're gonna take that family out of there. We need more berries. More berries. Okay, we have 0 living spaces. And we got the firewood people working on this stuff over here. Oh man, there's a lot going on. There's a lot, because we got nobody in here, but we got all of these farmhouses filled up to the max. Almost. How we doing on that timber? We need to build more houses. We need to build more houses. So let me just get a rough idea here of what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna go about right there. Actually, let's do this. We're gonna go here, go here, and then maybe come out this way a little more. There we go. I'm gonna need 8 for that. Advanced. Trickle this area over here. And then Woodcutter's Lodge will go to advanced. And you guys can start. Like, can you not use these? Hold on. Can you not use that area right there? I mean, look at all these down timber. You guys can't use that. Really? It's a little suspicious. It's a little suspicious if you ask me. How are we doing in June? Doing good. Doing mighty fine. Minus 900. Or was that plus 900? What are we doing here? What are we doing here? Hold on. Okay, so let's go to trade. No trade, no trade, no trade. No trade, no trade. What are we doing here? Hold on. Hold up. Okay, we're exporting yarn. Because we have so much of it. And we're exporting charcoal. And we are exporting shoes. Okay, well, no trade on shoes. And we're importing yam. What else we got? I think that's it. Okay. So we're importing yam. Current surplus 24. Desired surplus. I think we need to make that like 200 or something. Good lord. Let's go. Alright. 200. And okay, we're doing good on that. Let's go ahead and slow things down just a bit. While I take a look here at the trade. Yeah, we're exporting yarn, we're exporting charcoal. That's what's kind of keeping us going here. We got 50 meat? No, we don't have 50 meat. I was gonna say, we got a bunch of vegetables and a bunch of berries. So, and we don't have any bread. Really. We have no bread. None whatsoever. Yeah, we just got carrots and we got no bread. We got lots of ale. How we doing there? 1 meat. What are we doing? Ale 9. We got 9 ale. Oh, did I pause it? Didn't mean to pause it. Let's keep it going. 231 shoes, 31 cloaks, 9 ale. Yeah, we really gotta get that going. 744 yarn. Yeah, that's what we're exporting. Crops. We got barley. Okay. We got 5 meats. I mean, we're doing okay. Not doing too horrible, really. Let me go ahead and get these upgraded to level 2. So that way we... Oh, wait. Do I want to do that? Do I want to do that, really? No, I don't want to do that right now. Okay. Let's go ahead and get these into apple orchards. So I know what the apple orchard, it takes 3 to 4 years to fully mature and to reach their maximum yield potential. But that's fine. I'm investing in the future of our little colony here. And apples is just another food source that we are going to need to keep everybody alive and healthy. And I can't do that one just yet. So let's go ahead and get that fast forwarding. Probably just slow it down by 4. Yeah, we need to clear some of this out. Definitely clear some of this out. Everything's looking good though. Everything is looking grand, if you ask me. We just got a lot going on. Like, why is there a sheep farm in the middle of town? You know? Why did I put a sheep farm in the middle of town? No one knows. No one knows. I don't even know. But yes, we can continue this way with the road. Boom. Let's get that built. And then we can kind of come this way off the back of these with there. And we can kind of start coming this way with the housing and whatnot. We could put a marketplace like over here in this area. I mean, there's just so much potential for expansion. There really is. And we are trying our darndest to get expanded. Now, do I want to do this? Hold on. I want to do that, or do I want to do this? Let me do it real quick. Come over here. Boom. I don't really know what would be best. I want to come like this. I'm gonna come over here. You know what? That wouldn't be too bad either. Let me see. Can we build a house right here? Facing this way? No, we can't. What about this way? Yeah, we could do that one. Sure, let's do that. And then we could do the houses we were wanting to do right here. No. Let's try again. Sure. Let's do that one. That's fine with me. How we doing on timber? We're doing fine on timber. All right. Let me see what we can do over here. That'll get us 2 houses.
Come one, come all. Feast your eyes on
I
our
need to go
fine
over here a
selection.
bit. If I do that, is that gonna get rid of that tree? Any predicament, y'all? Let me go ahead and get this going real quick. Let me get this going real quick. Let me get that. Why can't I do that? Because the freaking tree's in the way? Annoying. There we go. We got a little something there now. Okay, residential. Let's go here, and okay, so we can definitely come back just a bit. Not real sure what we're gonna do with that. Oh, we could do pigs or goats. That's fine up there. That's fine. That is absolutely fine. And then we can come back here a bit. Oh yeah, that's 10 lumber. But I feel like we need more lumber. Yep, we're gonna need more lumber. So let me go ahead and come on. There we go. Limited work area. Oh, I already took all that down. Very well. Well, let's start working on this. Cause we can keep on keeping on, baby. That's what we want to do. Keep on keeping on. Uh-oh. We're doing good. All right, hold on. Gotta assess everything here going on. 3 meat. All right, we got people moving in to these houses, I believe. People. Oh yeah, we got lots of people moving in these houses. We can go ahead and add on to that. People. No people on that one. Are there people in this one? There sure are people. Man, people are just coming to our city in droves. Goodness. That's what I like to see. orchard. You get an apple orchard. Can't wait to see what these apple orchards look like in like 2-3 years. Alright, we're gonna speed up time just a smidge. Just a smidge. And see what we got going on. Because we're gonna need more people here in this farm, so that's gonna take up 4 worker spots. Mine is 70. Oh, must be the ale. I just got some ale. Oh, work area is empty. Okay. Let's go ahead and get some of that. We'll just leave one person in there. For now, we are showing up. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. More people, the better. You know what? Do we have anybody working on anything right now? Nope, doesn't appear so. So let's go ahead and make that a 7. We have almost enough influence to claim another region. So that's good news. We only have 8 months of food. Hopefully that'll go up after we harvest. I'm going to have to put in a little road here to this road. And then we can kind of go along the line here. And then kind of come around the line here. And here. And boom. Kind of keep everything nice and flowing together. And then I'm going to put one here. Perfect. And one there. Definitely going to have to put one here. Or put one here. There we go. All right. That's going to be our new area to farm. It's looking nice. So now we can start working on this portion. We're definitely going to have to add more farmhouses. There is not going to be enough people to get all of this harvested. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Wait. Can I fallow any of these? Yep. Fallow. Okay, you guys let me know down in the comment section. Am I doing this right? Like after a harvest, are you supposed to fallow? Or do you want to plant the crop right after? Okay, let's see. Fallow. Okay, perfect. Speed it on up then. 23 timber. So doing mighty fine on that. Okay, let's go to construction. And you know what? I'm going to save this for next episode. We'll do that next episode, building more farms. We're just looking at all these people taking care of the farm. They did that pretty quickly, too. They harvest that in a good hot minute. I mean, all our farmhouses are full. I don't know if we're gonna need another. Do we have any flour? Where's the flour? Flour. 275 wheat. Where is the flour? Do we not? I know there's a thing that shows us flour. There's gotta be. Like how much flour do we have? You know what I mean? Flour. We have 1 flour. Yeah. Let's see if we can build another communal oven. I believe that's probably... Let's see. Yeah, windmill, communal oven. I'll just put it about right here. We got grain, we got flour. There we go. Let's go ahead and kind of get that fast forwarding. Windmill, communal oven. Get that going. We need more people to move in. So, since we need more workers, it only makes sense to build some more. Build, 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 build. That's all we do. Build, 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 build. Okay. Let's go ahead. Oh, I can't do that. I can't do that. Darn it. Okay. That's a bummer, because I was going to come this way. I can't come this way. So we're going to have to go this way? No. We're going to have to come this way. And come this way. And then go this way. And then come this way. And build that like that. So we can start building this way. Oh man. Is anybody in this house? No? Okay. Let's demolish it. Yep. We're gonna have to demolish it. Just because we need an access point. Look at these orchards. Yes, sir. Looking good. Orchard. Orchard, orchard. So then we can kind of come out here. Well, actually, we're going to put it right along this here. And then we're going to build a marketplace. Hold on. Let me find it here. We're going to build a marketplace. Marketplace. I'm going to build a little marketplace here. There we go. We'll build that. We'll come this way like that. Boom. Check that out. And then we'll come this way. There we go. Perfect. Yep. There we go. We need more. We're in December already. Goodness. All right. Let's get this over here going. How much timber we got? 28 timber. Good night. All right. Residential. We'll start here. Work our way this way. And boom. Oh, we're gonna need a water area, so that would be a good spot for that. Let's put some families in there. Let's put some families in there. There we go. How we doing on the food? 32 bread. It's pretty good. That's what I like to see. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one. Later.